Hello participants. We hope that you have started practicing ETABS and by now you may have realized that it's quite easy. And so we have a task for you. As you can see, the structure is quite similar to the structure taught in the tutorial session. So this is what you have to do. You have to draw the same structure as shown and by using the same commands taught in the tutorial session. So now we move on to the plans. I will now show you the variations in the floor plans. This is at z is equals to 0 meters, story 1 at z is equals to 3 meters, story 2 at z is equals to 6 meters, 9 meters, 12 meters, at an elevation of 15 meters, story 6 at 18 meters, and finally story 7 at 21 meters. Now let's see the elevation so that you get a complete idea of the front view of the structure. This is an elevation of the D section of the entire structure. You can easily compare the elevation with its 3D structure. Now, before ending the assignments, I want to make you aware of the few instructions. Please use the same commands as taught in the tutorial session. Draw the grid as per the dimensions on the plan. The dimensions for beam are 230 by 350 mm. For column, they are 230 by 350 mm. Dimensions of the grid are for x coordinate 0, 9, 18, 27 meters. For y 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and 54 meters. We expect the same structure from you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video.